Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Chelsea. Hi, how are ya? I do a lot of planner videos. I'm starting to get back into some vlogging and some lifestyle videos, and I hope you'll enjoy. And if you do, you'll join the family and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and maybe give this video a like. So let's go ahead and jump into it rather than rambling on. I have a haul here from GoldPaperPrints. This is the Happy Meal that I ordered from the March TPC sale, which if you don't know already, I'll make sure to put it up here somewhere, that the TPC sale does start on April 9th, I want to say. It's next Thursday. Today is currently Saturday. So let me go ahead and set this up for me to show you, because I do have quite a few sheets, customs, and whatnot to show you. Okay, so this is going to be one of the two kits that I got. This is the Per weekly kit. It does come with 6 sheets, and then I also got 2 add-ons. If you are familiar with my haul videos that I do with, or I do whenever I get GoldPaperPrints, you'll know that I always get the functional sheet, and this time I also got the glitter headers. Here's the 6-page weekly kit, the full boxes, headers and little things, full ombre boxes with some weekly trackers. And I apologize, my husband went to go get some food and trying to film while my daughter is home, and she's a bit loud. The next thing is the half boxes with the habit trackers and some icons, date covers and headers, and then the washi. And then I also have this one. This is the I Love 90s kit. Again, I got some glitter headers, the functional sheet, which is 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, and then some labels, some full boxes, and then headers and little things, ombre, heart check boxes, icons and half boxes, 8 covers and headers, and then the washi. Next, I have some functional customs. I got the hydration individual check or stickers. I don't know what you want to call them. Individual trackers. I got this in custom colors. This is in blue. I also got the work labels in custom color. I got that in purple for March. And then I got custom headers, and I had custom color as well, purple, for today and to do. And then I got some rainbow items, got some film, little things, some quarter boxes, and then 2 sheets of glitter headers. Okay, this part's going to be a little tough because I am doing this one-handed. I got the new PR post icons here. I love these. I got a repurchase of the Fold the Laundry in colorful. I got 2 things of work in the font number 6. I got read in font number 6 in rainbow. Oh, I thought I had 2 sheets. That's not. A sheet of workout in font 6. A sheet of deposit in font 6. Reading glasses. 2 sheets of baseball, and keep in mind I ordered this just before the pandemic was ordered and when baseball was still going to be happening. But at least I will have 2 sheets for whenever they come back this year, or if it just gets moved back. I got the gaming controller, the new Winding Road icons, which again, I got that before we had to stay home. The shark workout icons. I love these. I think they're so cute. I got 2 things of the nude scheme dots, individual dots. And then I got a ton of custom script. I got all of them in black because I'm going to put these on top of my rainbow scheme glitter headers. So I got Girl Boss stuff, Weekly Reset, Adulting, Sunday Tasks, 2-pack, Mom Boss, Bathroom, Kitchen, Living Room, and Bedroom. And those are all in font 6. I don't know what it is about it. That's my favorite one. So that is all that I got from GoldPaperPrints. Please make sure that you subscribe, and yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell for the next video that I'll have up, which will be very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.